Hi everyone. In this video, I want to talk about what is MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, React, Vue, and Node.js. Let's watch this amazing video. Mini is a free and open source JavaScript software stack of building dynamic websites and web applications. If you want to build a static website, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to build dynamic, Mini is the best. And Mean stands for M for MongoDB, E for Express, A for Angular, R for React, V for Vue, and N for Node.js. If you want to build a website, we need front end, we need back end, and to connection of both we need database, right? If you take Mean, everything was there. If you learn Mean, we can build a dynamic websites very easily. Now we'll talk about MongoDB. MongoDB, it's an database and it doesn't support SQL. Why? Because it's the data is in the form of JSON, like documents, which is in dynamic schema, and it is ability to handle unstructured data, large unstructured data, and it's magically very fast, and people are experiencing real world data. E for Express.js. Express is a Node.js web application framework and it's server framework for Node.js, and it is designed for building single page, multi-page, and hybrid web applications. And Express is very fast and minimalistic web framework for Node that provides a robust set of features to develop web and mobile applications. And also it facilitates the rapid development of Node based web applications. A for Angular. It's a front-end web framework and it was maintained by one of the big company. The company name is Google, and the framework was also introduced by Google only to make any dynamic web applications. This framework is very helpful and we uses HTML as a template language in Angular, and we also known as that Google uses Angular as internally for all official websites and applications. Suppose have a look of Gmail and it's completely designed by using Angular material, and even Hangouts is a build completely using Angular. R stands for React. React can be used to development of single page or mobile applications, mainly larger web applications. It's a library for building user interfaces and it's maintained by one of the big company called Facebook, and it's React can be used to create reusable UI components that components can be used everywhere. Like Angular, when compared to Angular, it's not a framework, it's just like a view layer. And Angular uses TypeScript and React uses JavaScript. And many websites was developed by using React, like Facebook, Instagram, Yahoo, Khan Academy, Codecademy, Dropbox. These all applications was built by using React. V stands for Vue.js. It's an open source JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and single page application. And Vue.js is created by Ivan Yu and it is maintained by how he got idea to develop Vue.js as individual, because he is a Chinese guy and he's working in Google. So his role in Google is building UI prototypes mainly on JavaScript and Angular. So he want to develop one new framework which is components can be reusable, so that's why he developed own framework, that is Vue.js. Actually started as a individually, but after many members freelancers was joined in his community. Any company is using Vue.js? Yes, one of the topmost company, Xiaomi, is using Vue.js to develop its own products. It's a Chinese company. N stands for Node.js. First of all, it's not a framework, it's only JavaScript runtime environment to run JavaScript on server side. So it's platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast and scalable networks. We all of us know Netflix, the world's leading internet television network with over 117 million users, is one of those top companies that thrusts his servers to on Node.js. So that much powerful in Node.js. I hope this video is helpful to you in future. future definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel, because if you support me I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really give reply to you. And